In this tutorial, we are going to learn about using the cache properties decorator with classes in Python. This is a very handy tool for enhancing the efficiency of our code by reducing the need for repetitive calculations. Let's walk through this code. First, we import the cached_property decorator from the functools module. This decorator is used to turn a method of a class into a property which will be cached, meaning its value will be stored after the first time it's calculated. Then, we define a class circle with an initializer method that sets the radius of the circle. After that, we define a method area and apply the cached_property decorator to it. This method calculates the area of the circle using the formula pi radius squared. You'll notice that we have a print statement right before the return to let us know when the area is being calculated. Finally, we create an instance of the circle class with a radius of 10 and then print the area property. Let's run this and see what happens. As you can see, when we first print the area, it says calculating area. And then prints the calculated value. This shows that the property was not previously cached and had to be calculated. Now, let's print the area property again twice and see what happens. This time, it directly prints the calculated value without the calculating area. Message. This is because the value of the area property was cached after its first calculation and didn't need to be recalculated. Let's create another circle with a different radius and print its area twice to see if the caching is specific to each instance of the class. The first time we print the area, it says calculating area. And then prints the calculated value. However, the second time we print the area, it directly prints the calculated value. This indicates that the caching is instance specific. So, in summary, the cached_property decorator is a powerful tool in Python that helps us optimize our code by caching the results of expensive method calls. It's particularly useful when dealing with properties that require heavy computation or network calls. That's it for this tutorial. Happy coding!